I was about 17 years old and I was at the mall with one of my friends. And this guy comes out the store and he's like, hey, what's up? Or hey, you, or like something like that. Now, granted, I was 17. This would not work today. And y'all, I turn around and I'm like, me? And he was like, not you, your friend. For the first time, because I was always insecure when I was younger. And when he said that, is the first time that I was like, I'm the ugly friend. And right now, we live in a time where everything is about being an it girl, being that girl, being a baddie. And everybody's out here trying to be everybody but themselves. Don't strive to be an it girl. Don't strive to be a baddie. Don't strive to be that girl. Strive to be you, girl. Today, when I walk into a room, my head is held high. I'm comfortable. I'm content. If anything, I'm walking in the room like, hey girl, love your purse. Hey girl, love those shoes. Hey, love your dress. Your makeup is bomb. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm giving you compliments because it has nothing to do with me. Focus on all the beautiful things that make you you. You're unique. You're your own person. There is nobody in the world that is like you.